Okay, now on Lucy's Adventures, we are doing Lucy Goes to Lowe's. See how she does. Lucy, what do you think about going to Lowe's? She doesn't have an opinion right now. The verdict has come back. What does Lucy think about going to Lowe's? She's fallen asleep. So we'll see if she wakes up. Okay, we're in Lowe's now. Lucy's looking around. We're going to go see wheelbarrows. We'll see what she thinks of that. Let's see what she thinks of the flowers. Want to smell the flowers? Want to smell the flowers? Well, we didn't have any luck at Lowe's, so we are trying Tractor Supply. So Lucy's excited about Tractor Supply. Well, Lucy didn't find a wheelbarrow at Tractor Supply either. So she decided to take a nap on her way home and order online. Okay, Lucy, we are back home, little girl. Let's get you out of there. Get your little harness thing. Okay. Unhook you. Right here. Okay, little Lucy. Get your head out. There you go. Okay. And now she's back home.